Hey y'all, welcome back. Loba's Crafts here, and we are going to be unboxing the next diamond painting. This is a Diamond Art Club square for A Beauty and Her Beast by Sheena Pike. This is a discontinued kit, but I'm trying to get through my stash before, or at least try to get through my stash before I give birth. But I did a poll on my Instagram, and this was the one that was up next that everybody wanted to see. I am clearly saving my, my landscapes for maybe later in the year. So, just gonna open it up, see what's inside, and I will obviously do an overview of the canvas, which isn't big. It does come with an older toolkit, just so you guys know. What's this? It does come with a sticker that's gonna go in my logbook. Ooh. Obviously, Diamond Art Club always puts all of their canvases in a branded dust cover, which I'm gonna probably get rid of like almost immediately because I don't use them. I definitely just don't use it. Oh my god, it's actually really cute. Okay. Ooh. Obviously comes with your diamonds. So we will take a look at those diamonds, see which comes in here. Again, this is a discontinued kit, guys. So don't feel like, it's something out there. I like to, whether a kit is discontinued or not, I'm going to be working on it, reviewing it, putting it out there for everybody's viewing pleasure. It does come with the sticker sheet, and it does have 53 colors. It does have what looks like two ABs, which is 131 and 135. You guys already kind of know how I feel about that. I feel like those are probably some of the most common ABs, well, with the exception of 141. Again, this is an older kit. I wouldn't expect anything more. But let's go down, see what the drills are, and let me show you an overview of the canvas. Okay, y'all, so here is the canvas. And it is like self-rolling, I guess. You just gotta give it a second. It'll roll completely down. I am actually absolutely loving this now that I have finally unboxed it. I am going to love doing the roses. Look at Mrs. Potts. I think that's so cute. So the little, the beast, right? I hope that when I finally put those drills down, it actually says beast and it doesn't look like how it's rendered. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of that the 131 here in Belle's dress. I'm probably going to find some 141 to do her pearls and to do the little accents on her dresses. So that's what other like kind of enhancements I'm going to add versus the 135, which is obviously going to be in the leaves. I love how Chip is in her hair. How cute is that? We have the enchanted rose, and then she is in kind of like an enchanted rose enclosure. So I'm really going to, I'm really going to enjoy this. I'm assuming that that's supposed to be Lumiere, but Lumiere is a candelabra, which is 3. And I don't see, oh, and then we have, I was gonna say we don't have Cogsworth, who's a clock, but we do have an hourglass, which would basically kind of represent him. So this is actually really nice. Let's go through the drill. First things first, we are going to go through the old toolkit. I understand that the new ones come obviously with the cover minder and some washi tape. The traditional one did not. It does come with a tweezer. This is a square drill kit. This one does not have branded tweezers though, so, oh, sorry. This kit did not get branded tweezers, so that's, it is what it is. I'm thinking this was around the time that Diamond Art Club was not branding their tweezers, and then they went back to doing branded tweezers. Obviously, you get some baggies if you work at a baggies. I don't. You do get kind of like a really small tray. Again, these are really good for beginners if you're going to use them. Comes with a blue pen, which is actually really nice because this is kind of like Belle's color. Comes with a gripper, 2 heart-shaped waxes, and a 4-placer. I typically don't use these pens or the baggies and the thing, but if you were, again, a beginner, this toolkit would be everything you need to suffice to work on your kit. So, really happy about that. Now, going into the said diamonds. So the thing about this one is, let me just make sure I can also enhance my lighting. There we go. So they always do label this just in case you separate your drills from the rest of the canvas. So let's open these. Cannot wait. All right. I think we have a single here. So we do have a single of that 3854 color. It's kind of like a nice neutral type of orange. So there's that. I will be separating my diamonds as we go along with them, as I kind of like to make sure what I'm doing by the amount of drills are in each row. So we have 3860, 3861. We have 799 or 779. My apologies. 322. My apologies. 322. 321, which is that nice red. 775, which is a nice blue. We have 2 bags of those. Then we have 3 bags of 9865. So we do have those. Then we have 3325, 905, 312, 904, and 2 bags of 3371. This doesn't look like it's a black, but it's like a brownish black. So we have that. Let me just snip this really quick. All right. So then we have, oh, sorry, my apologies, upside down. We have 666. 895, 3841, and 814. I love that 814 color. It's a really nice burgundy. We have 2 bags of 3755. We have 818, 702, 938, and 3325, which, so this is actually 2 bags of this number that we have. Moving on, we have our first AB, which is the 135. Again, it is like a, I don't know, it's kind of like that weird greenish yellow color. I'm not completely like convinced that I like this AB at all, to be 100% honest with you guys. Then we have 605, 3801, 783, 819, 782, 963, which is a nice pink, 704, 498, and 648. This is going to be the longer one. We have 3033, 890, which is a really dark green, 703, 3023, 131, which again is our other AB, and this is actually like an orangey color, which is supposed to be in her dress. I'm gonna hope it comes out as nice as it's intended to be with this color. Otherwise, I think I might like just add a couple of I believe it's 129 AB, 129, 130. I'm probably gonna add those. We have 38.55, 37.33. We're just gonna cut right here. Then we have 7.80, 8.03. Thank God it's a little bag of 8.03. 9.57, 37.05, 6.47, 33.26. 3.18. Then we have 98.37, 7.12, which is a nice white color. 2.08, 4.13, 4.14, and 2.09. And then we have 2 bags of 33. What is it? 334, basically 334, and 3024, we have another bag of that. So those are the diamonds for this kit. Okay, so we got one full storage container of all the colors. I'm gonna say that the rest of them's going to probably take one more. I'm probably not gonna have to use all 3, which is a good thing. I'm kind of flying by this very quickly, so I'm really happy about how this is kitting out. Alright, it's all kitted up and gridded out with the washi tape. I'm definitely going to need some more. I only needed 2 containers, which is really nice. Obviously, you guys know that I like my pink little setup. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I had posted that a while ago. But we're definitely going to start little, get bigger, and we will see how far we get. And yeah, but that's the entire kit up, setup. Let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye, guys.